Awesome DIY skincare things you probably have. Milk is great for skin. Many sources will tell you it contains lactic acid, but that's not actually true. Instead, milk has vitamin A and D and many helpful proteins. These can help boost collagen, reduce acne, and prevent wrinkles, especially if applied to the face nightly. I'm looking forward to finding a fun product to make with it. Lactic acid is created by fermentation, so if you're looking for that, there's yogurt. Fermented products can contain about 0.6 to 1% lactic acid. This is an alpha hydroxy acid, which means it's exfoliating, helping the skin get rid of old cells and turn over new ones. Speaking of fermentation, let's talk rice. I often use fermented rice water in formulations, as it's a great source of amino acids and many other nutrients like fiber, manganese, magnesium, and vitamin B. Fermentation breaks down anti-nutrients like phytic acid, creating phytase compounds, which help rather than hinder absorption. Without this step, your body would miss out on many good nutrients. I'll talk about how to make it yourself in a later video, so make sure and like if you want that. By using a liquid yogurt or combining with your milk and rice water, you can have a very nice, soothing, rejuvenating post-wash moisturizer. Next up is olive oil. Cold-pressed olive oil contains many beneficial nutrients and has a comedogenic rating of about 2, which means it can clog pores, so do a patch test behind your ear to see if it causes acne. I'd recommend grapeseed oil more, as it has a higher omega-6 fat concentration and a lower possibility for acne, but fewer people have it. Last one is vinegar. I prefer apple cider vinegar for the smell, but it doesn't really matter. I think most people recommend too much. I say to use about 1/8 of a teaspoon per gallon of water. This makes it about pH 4.3 to 4.4, which is about perfect for this. Use vinegar to help reset your natural pH after cleansing. If you want to kill bacteria in clean oil, you'd need more, but it's so harsh and there are better ways. Most soaps are much more basic than natural skin, so it's essential to help your body's biome reset. It can also help with hair frizziness and many other issues. Like and follow for more